In July 2023, faced with an unprecedented surge of migration across Texas's southern border with Mexico, Texas Governor Greg Abbott authorized the expanded use of razor wire and floating barriers along the Rio Grande River to stem the tide of migrant crossings. On January 22, 2024, the Supreme Court, in a 5-4 decision, sided with the Biden administration. The majority, including Chief Justice Roberts and Trump-appointed Justice Amy Coney Barrett, argued that the federal government has the primary authority over border security and that Texas's actions infringed on this authority. The court granted the Biden administration the right to remove the razor wire. In his January 24th letter addressed to President Biden, Governor Greg Abbott escalated the legal and political battle over the Texas border by invoking Texas's constitutional right to self-defense. The letter, titled Statement on Texas Constitutional Right to Self-Defense, outlines several key points. Broken compact. Abbott argues that the federal government has broken the compact between the United States and the states by failing to enforce immigration laws. He accuses the Biden administration of deliberately enticing immigrants to cross the border illegally and not prosecuting them for entering the country without authorization. Constitutional duty. Governor Abbott emphasizes the federal government's constitutional duty to protect the states from invasion. He cites Article 4, Section 4 of the Constitution, which guarantees that the federal government will protect each of the states against invasion, and Article 1, Section 10, Clause 3, which grants states the power to enter into any compacts or agreements with other states or foreign powers during an invasion. Texas right to self-defense. According to Abbott, the federal government's failure to fulfill its duties triggered Texas's constitutional right of self-defense. He claims that this right is the supreme law of the land and supersedes any federal statutes to the contrary. This bold statement directly challenges the federal government's authority over border security. Declaration of invasion. Abbott reiterates his previous declaration of an invasion at the Texas border, which he issued in May 2023. This controversial move allows him to activate the Texas National Guard and deploy additional state resources to secure the border. Demand for action. The letter concludes with a renewed demand for President Biden to faithfully execute the immigration laws enacted by Congress and secure the border to prevent the ongoing invasion of Texas. Virtually all Republican governors have come out in support of Governor Abbott's letter, with some even pledging to dispatch their state's National Guard to help Texas secure their border. Overall, Governor Abbott's January 24th letter represents a significant escalation in the Texas border dispute. It remains to be seen how the Biden administration will respond and what the long-term consequences of this legal and political battle will be.